Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Face ID to apps on iOS 18. To add Face ID to your iOS 18 apps, follow these quick steps. First of all, ensure that Face ID is enabled on your iOS device. Simply go ahead and tap open the Settings app, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Follow through the instructions and set up your passcode or Face ID. After you follow the instructions to set up your Face ID, you will then need to go ahead and get to your app drawer. Press and hold the application that you'd like to add Face ID to. Simply spot the app and press and hold. In the pop-up, click on Require Face ID. Now, click on Require Face ID option in the pop-up, and after you do that, this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. Simply tap Require Face ID and you will then be able to add Face ID to this particular app. For extra security, you can also hide the application. If you'd like to learn how to hide the application as well, we can check out our other videos related to iOS 18. So that's how you easily keep your apps secure and private by enabling Face ID on your iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.